In this video, I'm going to talk you through how to create an update form and link it to an automated campaign. An update form allows your contacts to update the information you hold about them, which will help you to become more GDPR compliant. To create an update form, go to Automation, then Update Forms, and click on New Update Form. Give your update form a name and a description if you wish. The next step is to choose your fields. Here you have the default fields, and further down the page you have your custom fields. Check the boxes of the fields you want to include, and then amend the caption if you need to. Adjust the order of the fields by selecting a number from the drop-down menu here. And finally, check the required field box if you want to make it a compulsory field. The next step is to choose a group. This means that anyone who completes the update form will be added into the group you select. Next are your styling options. Change the background colour here and then choose your logo. Finally, select an automated campaign to add anyone who fills out the update form too. Now that the update form is built, we can add it to an email. I'm going to add a link to my update form here. So to do this, I'm going to click on Merge Tags and find my update form. You'll see it's placed in the email as a tag and not a link. So to make it a link, highlight the tag and click the Insert Link button. Copy the tag and paste it into the URL field. Now delete the tag and type out the text you want to display instead. It will now appear in your email as a clickable link. Your form will look something like this when the link is clicked by your recipients. If you have any questions relating to update forms or any other area of the system, please raise a support ticket and a member of the team will be happy to help.